Say hi to my channel, guys.
Hi! Hi, make me win!
Go.
Behold!
Okay, go.
Behold! My water source!
Okay. Hi guys, so I'm in the park. We're just opened. Parks are open now. I think a lot of people here are not wearing a mask. So I guess it's okay. I think most people here have been vaccinated and it's an option. So if you want to wear a mask, you can wear a mask. Other than that, it's free. It's open. Parks are open. So yeah, I was about 90% of people here are not wearing a mask at all. You notice it. You see? There's a couple here, but other than that, most people here are not wearing a mask. And we're in a public park right now. So, there we go, guys. Yeah, so we're open. There we go. So I guess the economy is open. All the businesses are open now. I think like 50-70% maybe it's open. That is option. And I think when you go to a lot of stores and restaurants, you still have to wear a mask. But when you go out in open places, like in the park right now, but public parks are not. It's up to you. A lot of people here are not wearing any mask at all. See people here, nobody wear a mask. Hardly wear anybody wear a mask. So finally it's open. The tennis court. Yeah. So we're in a public playground. And there's a water park over there. Okay, buddy. So again, guys, hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. See you. Bye bye.
We've arrived at Connor's house. We're going to help.
Don't rock it.
We're going to my house. We're gonna wreck it. Okay. I have a dog. How? Parties are way cooler than dogs, although and a dog party. Okay, then we're going to Connor's house then. Dog parties are really cool. And you can watch anything you want. And there's balloons. Nice. There is a lot of balloons. Also, you can watch anything you want. And my one has... But is there going to be puppies? Yes. On my one, there's going to be puppies. There's no puppies. Is there going to be pets? No, of course. No. Hey, red hair.
No.
There's some speed bumps, some massive speed bumps. I need to slow it down. Okay. You right? Wait, give me a chance to get home again, Riley. You could go in the front. Okay, I'll go in the front then.
Go up here. Aiden, go up here first. And then go. Like that.
Can I go to the Okay. Almost at the boat. Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Here we go.
Go.
Oh.
Wait. Go up. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Go.
Only have a push. I'll give you a push. I fell off. Okay. So I can go over here. I fell off. Guys, he wants to be on the ladybug. Guys.
You gotta wait. You have to wait. You have to wait for a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, what's the head?
Okay, we're here. Actually, no. I won't want to take it. How long is this ride gonna be? It's gonna be like 10 hours. Oh my gosh, that's almost half of a day. I'm gonna regret this. Half of my day. Definitely, we got fast feet. This might be a little fast. Don't worry, I'm eating. Then, okay. Oh gosh. No. Okay, let's go. When is it go? Okay, I see. Go.
Okay, Mali beside.
Ah.
Okay, Mali beside you, Riley.
Oh my gosh, I might fall off actually.
There you go. Yeah, you wait, you're getting it. Just wait. Just stay in the sun. Keep warm. Connor, stay here. Just stay here in the sun, guys. Get you warm. Don't go near the water. Don't get cold again.
What is it? What's inside of it? Yeah, it's already. Want me to get it out? We need more water.
Yes. Good job, guys.
Let's
Okay.
play the game soon to that.
Yeah. Go.
Behold.
Okay, go.
Behold my water sword.
Okay, show me.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa. Wow. Nice water sword. What's up, Eddie? Yeah. Hey.
I have been in like I think only 3 videos.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and this is my third. Make me win! Yeah. Hello, YouTube.
We're on the water park, guys. Still here. It's like probably 6 o'clock. Sun is still up. Kids having fun. We have a picnic here. The boys just relaxing, getting warm. The water's cold. You got chips?
Why am I the only one here without a towel?
You got a picnic with chips.
Mama, come on, look. Here's my love. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's
Yeah, boys having picnic. Team Warriors.
Let's watch.
Oh, you guys don't waste that. You gotta eat it, huh? Don't throw it like that. You gotta eat it.
Over there. There's chips over there. It feels quite weird being the most.
Say hi to my channel, guys.
Hi. Hi, make me win. Hello, YouTube.
Say hello, YouTube.
Hello. Make me win now, or I'm going to eat you. Pick which side do you want? Eat or make me win? Make you win.
Yeah, boys. Say bye.
Always.
Say bye-bye.
Make me win. Like, but now let's buy. Okay. If you just like the video, then you will be point. If you like the video, you will be win.
Okay.
If you subscribe, you will be virtually.
Oh, wow. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
We're having a little picnic.
Well, that's not yours. Golden Snap? No, there's only Golden Freddy and Golden Snap.